In a world of stainless steel and synchronized motion, a modern ritual of culinary creation begins. Before a single ingredient is touched, the first act is one of respect. A meticulous process of cleansing, ensuring that every product that leaves these walls starts with a foundation of absolute purity. Through a final air shower, the team enters the inner sanctum, a space where precision and passion converge on an industrial scale. Here, the journey of a beloved street food classic is reimagined, combining time-honored techniques with the marvel of modern machinery. It starts with deconstruction. Sausages are perfectly portioned by a machine that operates with surgical precision, each piece a uniform promise of the savory flavor to come. This is the heart of the hot dog, prepared for its transformation. Alongside the sausage, blocks of rich mozzarella cheese are prepared, their creamy potential waiting to be unlocked. The team works in a quiet, focused rhythm, laying the groundwork for the perfect pairing of textures and tastes. Automation and human oversight work in harmony. An intricate machine takes the prepared cheese and sausage, flawlessly piercing them onto skewers, creating the core of what will soon become a golden, crispy delight. In colossal mixers, the soul of the corn dog is born. Water, eggs, and a carefully guarded blend of flour are combined. It's a recipe perfected over time, designed to create a batter that is light, airy, and ferments to achieve a uniquely chewy and flavorful dough. Once the batter reaches its perfect glossy consistency, it's transferred from the massive mixing vats. Each bowl is filled with the potential for hundreds of corn dogs, the result of a process that values both quality and scale. The prepared batter is now ready for the production line, where the artisans await. It's here that the mechanical precision of the factory gives way to the irreplaceable skill of the human hand. With a practiced twist, each skewer is enveloped in the thick, elastic dough. then expertly rolled in a bed of panko breadcrumbs. This delicate dance ensures a complete even coating, the secret to its signature crunch. The coated skewers are then sent into the fryer, where they are transformed by the hot oil, emerging perfectly golden brown. After their fiery baptism, the finished corn dogs are gently released onto a wire mesh conveyor, beginning their journey to cool and set. They travel in a steady stream, a testament to the efficiency and rhythm of the entire operation. The long conveyor system allows each corn dog to cool evenly, ensuring the crust remains crisp while the inside stays warm and tender. From the main artery of the production line, the corn dogs are sorted and guided, continuing their automated journey through the factory. Each one is inspected as it moves along, a constant quality check that guarantees only the best products will make it to the final stage. The corn dogs then enter a spiral freezer, a massive chamber that flash freezes them at a chilling -38 degrees Celsius, locking in their freshness and flavor instantly. Emerging from the cold, the frozen corn dogs are ready for the final steps. Workers carefully collect them from the conveyor, their protective gear a shield against the extreme temperatures, and prepare them for packaging. But the creation doesn't stop there. Another popular variation begins its life, this one destined for a heartier coating. Skewers are once again dipped in that signature batter, but this time they are rolled in a generous layer of diced potatoes. These potato-crusted corn dogs follow the same path through the fryer, the potato pieces crisping up to a beautiful golden hue, adding an extra layer of texture and savory goodness before they too are dropped onto the cooling conveyor. The final phase is a dance of automation. The corn dogs are carefully aligned and fed into the packaging machine, where they are individually sealed to preserve the taste and quality crafted by the factory team. The packaged products move down the line, passing through a weight checker and a metal detector. The final guardians of quality control, ensuring every single corn dog meets the highest standards of safety and consistency. Finally, the individually wrapped corn dogs are collected and carefully packed into larger bags by hand. A final human touch before they are sealed, boxed, and sent out into the world. From the vast, sterile factory to the warmth of a home kitchen, the journey finds its purpose. Cooked in an air fryer, the frozen corn dog is reborn, its crispy exterior returning to life. And with one final cut, the story comes full circle. The perfect crunch, the savory sausage, and the glorious stretch of melted cheese. This is the moment all that precision and care was for. It's more than just food, it's a moment of pure, unadulterated joy delivered from their hands to yours.